Let us discuss about new features released with each new version of Microsoft Dynamics CRM. In this video we will cover new features of all versions of Dynamics CRM for which Microsoft has officially stopped its mainstream support, that is from CRM 1.0 till CRM 4.0. And we will have individual videos of later versions of Microsoft Dynamics CRM, for which Microsoft is still providing its mainstream support, covering new features from CRM 2011 till CRM 2016. Let us now begin our discussion with CRM 1.0. Microsoft CRM 1.0 was released in January 2003, with the official name being the catchy Microsoft Business Solutions Customer Relationship Management 1.0. Here's a screenshot of the home page that the system offered to the users for a quick glance of the open activities, alongside a quick create menu and an announcements list. The navigation bar at the bottom of the screen offered the familiar modules of Workplace, Sales, and Service. The reports of CRM 1.0 were not built on SQL Server functionality yet, but instead leveraged the well-known Crystal reports, a product which was later acquired by Business Objects, which in turn was bought by SAP. Although it wasn't possible to perform any advanced customization tasks on CRM in a supported manner, such as adding new entities, the Microsoft partners were already at the time finding good business in filling the gaps of CRM 1.2. Still, everyone was really putting their hopes on CRM 2.0 being an easier product to sell to customers, with more built-in features and improved reliability. What was first called Microsoft CRM 2.0 and later Microsoft CRM 2005 became vaporware, as after being delayed a few times the version was never released. Microsoft had revealed information about an ambitious initiative called Project Green in 2003, which aimed to combine all the business products, CRM, Great Plains, Axapta, Navision, Salomon, onto a single code base. It wasn't until 2007 that the project was announced as dead and buried, with each of the ERP products remaining separate platforms for the foreseeable future and CRM naturally carrying on with its own roadmap for primarily managing the customer-facing interactions instead of financial transactions. Microsoft CRM 3.0 was released in December 2005. Or more precisely, Microsoft Dynamics CRM 3.0, as the Dynamics brand was launched in September 2005 to harmonize Microsoft CRP and CRM product offering. So even though we didn't get a Microsoft business framework, at least product names were all aligned under the Dynamics umbrella. This branding update didn't quite manage to cover all corners of the application, and the name Microsoft CRM or MS CRM in short still carries on today as popular nickname for the product. The UI of v3.0 introduced the navigation paradigm that has been largely carried onward to the current CRM 2011 version. Imitating the Outlook modules, the product now had a wonder bar in the bottom left corner of the screen, including the new marketing module that introduced basic campaign management functionality into the. Most importantly, with CRM 3.0 it was now possible to create brand new custom entities to expand the default data model to cover whatever business domain that the customer was working in. The term XRM was introduced into the Microsoft corporate lingo to describe these new scenarios for extended relationship management. A white paper from 2008 titled Microsoft Dynamics CRM as a Business Application Platform, written by Jason Hunt and Aaron Elder, the original architects of the platform, goes into great depth on why Dynamics CRM should not be considered as just CRM but something much more formidable and powerful. While CRM 3.0 was a single organization application, Microsoft Dynamics CRM 4.0 launched in December 2007 was multi-everything, multiple languages, multiple currencies and, most importantly, multiple tenants. The proprietary workflow system of CRM 3.0 was also replaced with a Windows Workflow Foundation-based implementation that was able to cover significantly more process automation scenarios. And instead of writing custom business logic as callouts, you now created plugins. The UI was still all about lists of records, but at least there was a report wizard introduced that allowed the users to build simple reports to group and visualize data. Only a few months after the on-premises of CRM 4.0 version saw the light of day, a whole new breed of Dynamics CRM was unleashed. Although initially only available in North America, Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online marked the beginning of a cloud services era in Microsoft's business applications, with POS, Exchange, SharePoint, OCS, following its lead later during the same year. There wasn't a feature parity between the cloud and the on-premises server yet, due to limitations of not being able to do programmatic extensions like plugins for CRM Online yet. The multi-tenant nature of CRM 4.0 also encouraged several hosting companies to start offering CRM alongside other MS products. At this point, Dynamics CRM had already started to gain recognition from the press and was considered as a product that was bound to capture a significant share of the CRM software market. In 2008, CRM magazine ran a cover story with the title "Is Microsoft Winning the CRM Race?" In the interview, Steve Ballmer is especially optimistic about their chances of extending their coverage to many tens of millions of seats, thanks to the potential of XRM to grow beyond the CRM space. There's also an interesting question presented related to his views on the importance of social media in the enterprise today, meaning 5 years ago, 4 years before they acquired Yammer. Let us now summarize the whole discussion as of now. We have listed down the features and CRM versions in table given below. That's all for today's video session. Please do not forget to watch our next video about new features released with Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011 in detail.